Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Geek News, and today I will show you the unboxing of the shoes I ordered from Amazon. Actually before this I have ordered the same piece, but it was not well packaged and it was very bogus quality product, so I just returned this product and I just replaced it with this. So this time I got the good one, so I will unbox that one. So let's start it. So before I start, I would like to tell you that product name is it's Sparx white sneakers, which I have bought. So let me start the unboxing. Okay, so I'll unbox this. So this is how it looks like. And as you can see, it's packed, and now I'm going to open this one. This time actually I have got well packaging, and I'm expecting also the product from it. So there is another box, as you can see, the Sparx box of shoes, and I'm going to open this now. So let's see. Well, it's a well package. Again, I was expecting for the good packaging. This is it, and this is what shoes I have ordered. Sparx sneakers, white sneakers. I will take out this box and I will show you the shoes, how it looks and how it is not. Let's do that. So these are the shoes. They are still with the plastic cover already. So this is how it looks like, and it's a good one. I think there is no issue I have found till now. I will check it for more and make a video if it is not all that good. Alright, so this is for now. This was unboxing of these Sparx men shoes, white sneakers. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like it. Well, at the end of this video I will also attach the photos of earlier product of the same product I have also ordered, which was not good packaged. So I will also add the screenshot of that in the ending of this video for your reference, how it was not well packaged and why I have to replace that one with this one. So thanks for watching again, and bye. See you in the next video.